Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 4-bedroom, 6-bathroom, 2-story residential building which is disposed of a gross external floor area of approximately 4,723 square feet. It is located in the gated community of South Sea Park, Whitehouse. The layout of the building is as follows. Ground floor consists of a bedroom, ensuite bathroom, and closed closet, front porch and entry foyer, living room, powder room, laundry room, double car garage with electric shutters, back porch, bathroom, kitchens with tiled countertops and hardwood cupboards and cabinets, and a center island. Upper floor consists of landing area, 2 bedrooms, ensuite bathroom, jacuzzi, and other sanitary convenience and walk-in closet. The property features standby generator, a solar water heater, 2 plastic water tanks, and electric pump. Guys, let's take a look at the house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 610,000 or Jamaican $93.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.